Good morning, GP. Friday. So weekend's coming, but I still hope that you've got some energy for the tasks I've prepared for today. Okay? So let's start then. I First of all, I would like to show you the list of the spelling words for the next test. You've got them in your English notebooks, so that's fine. So please double check if you have them written properly without any spelling mistakes. And there is a link for the Quizlet as well to play some games. Okay? So for today, during our Zoom lesson, we are going to talk about natural resources. And I would like you, in your unit of inquiry notebooks, to write down the topic and a short note about natural resources. Okay? So the text you are asked to write is here, is in our plan. So just write that natural resources are things, materials, substances, or components found in the natural environment. They exist naturally or initially in the world, and they are not the result of human manipulation or creation. Natural resources can be living or non-living. Plants, animals, water, rocks, minerals, soil, and wind are examples of natural resources. The sun and fossil fuels are natural resources as well. And when you copy that note, okay, think how people use the following natural resources and write down some examples, at least two examples for each category. Okay, so how do people use plants and trees? What do we use it for? What do we use them for? To make furniture, to build houses, plants for food as well. Okay, so two examples, the ones that come to your mind. And the same with water, animals, and rocks and minerals. Okay, so that's all for the unit of inquiry. On Google Drive, you will also find the word search for the volunteers. So if you want, you can have some word search just to have some fun. Yeah. So the word bank, and you need to find them here. They are not. It's not very complicated. So I think that it will be easy for you. Piece of cake. Okay. So English. We are still talking about synonyms and antonyms. Okay. So today I would like you to read the paragraph and to focus on antonyms. So remember that there are two words that mean not the two words which meaning is not the same but the opposite. Okay, so read the story, and I would like you to fix the story, but by replacing the bold words, okay, with the bolded words with the antonyms that to give the story more sense. Okay, so instead of left, for example, in the first word, we should write a right. You can print out the worksheet and complete it, or you may also use the editable version, which you may find in your folders on Google Drive, or as usually there is also one document uploaded to our folder with the tasks for today. Okay, so you just type in, save with your name and surname, and upload it on Google Drive. So that was English. For the volunteers to complete as an extra task, Miss Bernadetta, teaching G4, she published a challenge, Fair Trade Home Learning Challenge, Okay, as we celebrate on Saturday, we celebrated Fair Trade Day. There is a possibility for you to design and send a thank you card to the farmers and workers who are working hard to provide us with our food and drink at this time. So prepare a postcard, be creative, write some nice words to them, and you can send the card, the photo of your card to Miss Bernadetta or Miss Monica. You will find their email addresses in our plan. But the last task. Ah, sorry, I forgot. If it's about English, remember it's Thursday and I would like you to use BackClap to read the book. Okay? Miss Catherine is uploading some new books today. So please read one book today. Remember that it's obligatory for you to read 2 books per week using BackClap because thanks to it we can assess your reading progress and we can write some nice words on your comments. Okay, so 2 books per week, and there will be one more online task. Maths. I want you to use Mathletics to practice calculating the area. Okay, so if you log in to your Mathletics account, you will find some tasks assigned to you. So you will be asked to complete the tasks to calculate area. And thanks to it, I will know how well you can do it. So, Mathletics for today. And for the volunteers, there is one more task as well. So you can practice calculating the area by designing a house. So you've got some criteria. So the Blyth family, they would like to have one bathroom which is 9 square meters big. Second bathroom 4 square meters. Kitchen 15 square meters. So you use 1 square as a 1 square meter. So your house needs to have each square represent 1 square meter, as I said, and your house should have the area written in the instruction. Okay, each room should be as big as it's said in the instruction. However, the shape depends on you. So be creative. Try to be an architect. Maybe you would like to be an architect in the future. Who knows? Okay. So yeah, try to do that. Try to complete that task as well. And don't forget to send me some photos of your completed tasks. You don't do it today, you've got the time till Monday. So enjoy your weekend and see you at 10:30. Bye bye.